Hi everyone, welcome back to Granted, your grant resource channel. I'm Ty and today we've got an inaugural grant program specifically for individual and collaborative visual artists. The Bobby Anspach Studios Foundation is offering unrestricted financial resources specifically to visual artists and not organizations. Two major grants of $50,000 each and three emerging artist grants of $8,000 each will be awarded. The grants may be used for any purpose that advances the recipient's artistic practice and vision. Applications are open now and close December 30th, 2025 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. The link to apply is in the description box below. If you'd like to know more about grants for organizations and individuals, hit that like button and subscribe so that you never miss on any of the opportunities we share. This grant welcomes artists working in any medium or approach, including but not limited to visual arts, sculpture and installation, digital and new media, performance and time-based media, community and social practice, documentary and narrative media, craft and material arts, and any combination of those or innovative hybrid approaches. How can you use the funds? The grants are unrestricted, but you will be required to upload a brief budget breakdown of your projected use of grant funds. This helps reviewers understand your project scope. There are no fixed restrictions for the grant period. Applicants may define their own project timeline. The foundation is seeking artists working in any medium whose practice aligns with any of the following core sensibilities and themes pioneered by Bobby Anspach: environmental consciousness and climate awareness, human connection and empathy, transformative and conscious raising art, and these foundation specific values: transcendent experience creation, contemplative practice integration, and DIY innovation and accessibility. To be considered for a grant, artists must submit all of the following required materials in Submittable: artist statement, project proposal, visual portfolio, implementation plan, budget brief, CV, and two references. Go to the Bobby Anspach Studios website and read all of the details before submitting your application. Create your Submittable account and reach out to your two professional references now. Remember, applications close on December 30th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, and grantees will be publicly announced in March 2026. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Granted, your grant resource channel, for a new grant opportunity every month. And if this grant opportunity isn't for you, but you know someone who could benefit, please share this video with them. You just might help to change someone's life. Our applicants have already been awarded more than $21,000, and maybe you'll be next. If you apply, let us know how it goes. Hit that notification bell so that you never miss out on free money for your goals and dreams. Good luck with your application, and I'll see you in the next video.